Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm gonna be doing my full face of my monthly makeup basket for November, because it's November now. Okay, let's jump right into this. Alright, so let's start by priming the face. I'm using the Thank Me Later face primer by Elizabeth Mott. It is a mattifying face primer, which I don't necessarily know if I really need today, but it's happening. Did it matte? Am I matte? Now I'm gonna go right in with the Maybelline 24 Hours Super Stay Foundation. CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. Now I'm going to set my forehead and my oily spots with the Maybelline Fit Me. Next, I'm going to bronze up with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Oh, it smells so good. For blush, the Tarte Amazonian Clay in Quirky. I have not been looking forward to this, but the Winky Lux Charm Highlighter. Pink, iridescent. I know literally like 3 weeks ago I was raving about pink iridescent highlighters, and that's how quickly I got sick of them. Oh, now it's time to spray the face. Get all that set before we do some eyeballs. Let's hold this 10.5 feet away from our face because it's so scary. God damn it, elf. Just put it in another bottle. Have I done that yet? No. I'm gonna throw on my eyebrows using the Make Me Brow by Essence in Blonde. And now we're diving into the good stuff. The Paradise Enchanted palette. I'm gonna start by taking this matte peachy shade all over my lid. Now I'm gonna go into this light brown shade right here as a transition crease color. Flew Fit. Now I'm going to take this matte pink shade right here. I'm going to just go around the outside to blend that even more. I'm going to go into this slightly darker brown, not the darkest, but darker than the crease shade, and just make a bit of an outer corner here. And then take that on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with this shimmery pink as my lid color. I'm going to take the shimmery baby pink here with my finger and just kind of tap that in the front and center. And then I'm going to take a tiny brush and I'm going to go into this sort of pinky bronze shade here and complete my lower lash line with that. I'm going to take the Avon Glimmer Stick in Cosmic Brown in my waterline. A little bit of the Super Extend liquid liner. Nothing fancy. Holy shit, it leaked. Some Punk Volume mascara. Holy shit. Okay, that got really clumpy really fast. I think the formula may already be dead in this mascara. Well, shit. I'm gonna finish this off with some butter gloss. Alright, my first finished look with my November makeup basket. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I am off to work. Don't forget to subscribe if you feel like it. We'll see you in the next one.